What's going on, guys? It's your boy Reverend Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another one. Another lit video, baby. We be lit on Sunday, man. Hey, I know you be missing your boy, man. Seems like a long time in between videos, but these YouTubers ain't YouTubing, man. I ain't rough out there in the YouTube street. I think I gotta do 2 videos a day to keep myself entertained. What are you for boring, man? Step your game up, baby. Anyway, man. Hey, we finna get into some pertinent information today. So gather everybody around, man. If you got to go wheelchair somebody in, roll them on up to the computer, baby. If you somebody on crutches, hop them on in here, man. Let's go, man. Let's do it. Go get the dog and everybody. Well, nah, y'all dog be slobbing and stuff. Man, I don't do all that. Anyway, let's get to it, shall we? Scroll on up and see what we got going on a smaller account. I got 41,000 to get on up to hydrate. Now, let me tell you why I be hydrating, man. Listen to me. You see this number right here, bro? This is what I care about. Drip. I keep telling y'all, drip is the key, right? Every time you hydrate, you get paid. Don't look at that number. You get paid basically 4x of whatever you hydrate. You get paid 365% of whatever you gonna hydrate, bro. You understand what I'm saying? To keep the numbers even, I just do 4x. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna basically get paid around 1,700 drip, basically. You see what I'm saying? Off this right here. This $40,000. That's a lot of money. You know what I'm saying? I don't care. Because I'm going to get paid more than that. It's going to pay me more than this. Everybody looking at their screen right now know good and well they didn't put whatever this amount right here. You didn't put that much money into that account. We all getting paid on money. We ain't even put it to the system. Where else they doing that at, bro? Everybody so worried about the price and all that, bro. You get paid on money you ain't eat. That's like getting paid on a CD in the bank that you didn't even put in there. Huh? That's like going to your bank account and you keep going up, getting paid on it every day. You ain't even put the money in there. I keep it real, bro. You understand what I'm saying? So I'm going to hydrate that right now. You know, on video. I document all my stuff, right? Because people like to do revisionist history, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to show you something in a minute. You know, I'm going to get to one of Drip's dirty little secrets, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to get to that in just a minute. But I got to hydrate first, baby. I got to get this on in there so I can start getting paid on it. I ain't getting paid on this. I got to get that on over in here. You feel what I'm saying? Let nobody take my compound. Hey, that's why some platforms won't let you compound. Why is that? Because that's how you get paid. It'll take me right at... It should take me with the 5%. This should be 15.9 or something right along in there. Let's conform. Come on, give my finger. Give me the finger. There we go. Bam. Let's go. Come on, better man. Come on, man. Ooh, that boy can add, can't he? But they put me right at 15.9. What would they? That's all they got, baby. Ooh, they. Oh, but let me get to this price. Everybody will talk about price. But oh, drip is $90, $80 something. Let me see what the price is right quick. See what the price is. Well, we at $92, right? Oh man, drip down, man, $92, man. Golly. Let me refresh your memory. Let me go back. Go to my channel. Because I document everything. Go to my computer to tab, right? Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. Look at this. $49. 2 months ago, we were so excited. Drip with $49. Look at this. Let me get to the comment. Go down now, see. That was the white list right there. Go to the comments. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. They said it was a scam. Yeah, look at this. It's between 58 and 59 now. Look at this. Everybody was excited. $49 just 2 months ago. You understand? So now that it's $90, okay. Bro, you got to keep it in perspective, guys. Keep it in perspective. There's nowhere else you're going to make this kind of money. I don't care what they tell you, what another YouTube, anybody tell you. This is the best thing in crypto, bro. You know what I'm saying? You know it. And the reason the price going down now, because ain't nowhere else you can make no money. Everybody coming to Drip to pay their bills. But that leads me to the dirty little secret. Let's get to the dirty little secret of Drip, right? So check this out. Drip is coming up on what I like to call doomsday. Drip doomsday for some people, right? Drip launched like April of 2021. I want to say April 22nd. I think that's the date it launched, April 22nd, right? So now you got to understand, everybody, that's why crypto was a solo sport. Everybody do what they want to do. Everybody do something different. I just showed you I hydrated, right? I hydrated $40,000. Some people ain't hydrated nothing. They put in what they put in, and they have claimed the whole time. For whatever reason, they might have needed the money. They might have, some people just like, the claim. That's fine. But guess what? Time to pay the piper come April. That's why you should pay attention to the price, because come April 22nd, from that day forward, every day accounts are going to be out of drip. Just like my big account, I'm going to be out of that in a couple of days. I'm going to show you that when I do my final claim. But that's because I maxed it out, not because I just claim. If you are out of drip before you max out, you're a dummy. That's just stupid, bro. But people are going to do it. And that's the little secret, right? Because come April 22nd, and that day forward, and Forex sees this. He see everything. He was telling me about it. From that day forward, and it's going to ramp up. So April 22nd, you might have a couple of accounts out. April 23rd, more accounts are going to be out going forward because more people join later and later, and more people just claim whatever for whatever reason without hydrating. And even if some people did hydrate a little bit, that day still coming. If you joined on April 30th and you only hydrated a couple of times, that only bought you a couple more days. You know what I'm saying? If you only hydrated April 30th, I think it got 31 days in, or May 1st and May 2nd, and then you claim, well, May 2nd is your day to come out. You can't withdraw no more from the platform. And think about how we just ramped up all these new accounts that just came, like these past couple of them, all this stuff. Some people are just claiming, especially in a bear market. People are just trying to claim and get money, to pay their bills. But come later in the year, you know what I'm saying? All those accounts are going to be out of drip. All of them. They ain't going to be able to withdraw no more money. You understand what I'm saying? And the price is going. And that ain't even including what Forex got coming. There's always something coming. It's stuff he ain't even thought of yet. The best thing in this ecosystem, he probably ain't even thought of yet. We go over stuff all the time, different things, different that, and that's going to be a double whammy. I got something in mind right now. I ain't going to even say it, 'cause I don't want nobody to steal it. But you know me. I'm all about this trip, baby. You can't tell me about nothing else in crypto because it's just getting started. This ain't no forever. This ain't no forever thing. People are going to be out of this thing come April. Every day accounts are going to be falling off, and the price ain't got no choice but to go up. Them people ain't going to be able to withdraw them and the claim. You can't claim. You see what I'm saying? That is so. That's the most bullish thing about drip anybody could ever say. They got the money. You got your 4X. You got to start another account. And another bullish thing is when they get close, let's say right here, let's say some people you have 58,000 and they just been claiming. So they probably around about 57,000, 57.5. They got to start hydrating back into the system just to keep this number from hitting this number. They got to start hydrating back into the system. And even though it'll hit your claim, it'll up your max payout when you hydrate, right? So either they got to claim on out and get out, or they got to keep hydrating. Either way is bullish for the system because they're not beating and banging on it with this claim button. So yeah, have your fun next month, while y'all do it, have your little fun. Man, look at the price. But the price of drip is going to explode, bro. So come April, May, June, there's going to be a hot summer for, good God almighty. This summer for drip going to be, I'm talking about, this going to be a year in. What other platform that's a year old that's doing better than when it started? I'll wait. I don't see none in DeFi. I don't see it. All I see is people running from them. Oh, that was a hostile takeover. I don't know nothing about that no more. Well, I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. And we ain't even got to the farm. The pig pen. Pig token $382. That's more than BNB. And the new $385 just went up again. And the new pig game ain't even launched yet, bro. It will launch on Tuesday. You know I'm gonna shoot that thing to the moon. So be here. You know your boy gonna let you know all about it. You can buy. We can move stakes and all that stuff. Man, that thing gonna be so. You think the drip garden is something? You wait till that new pig guard. I call it the pig. It's the pig pen. The piggy bank. The piggy bank. Let's call it by its appropriate name. The piggy bank. You understand what I'm saying? So that ain't even got here yet. We got 48 hours for that. And we need the drip garden still going. As a matter of fact, let me go this my little small account. Let me go hydrate that too. You know, people will tell you, oh, don't hydrate. Don't. You ain't, that is free country. Don't, baby. I'm building on up. I'm at 5,000. Compound. You don't have to. I'm not even here to tell you to do it. Always get you some money. Always sell a little bit, get you some money in your pocket, baby. Enjoy it. Enjoy crypto. Enjoy drip. Enjoy all this. Come on now. But at least give it credit. You can't enjoy it and then talk shit about it. That don't even make sense. That don't even make sense, bro. People are actually making a killing off the platform and then turn around and talk shit about it. What you in it for? That don't even make sense. Where we at with it, baby? Where we at? Scroll. That we, boy, 69. Oh, that's a good number right there, boy. It's Sunday, so I'm chilling. But anyway, man, so yeah. So, man, look, if you worried about drip, don't. The best days are ahead come April, May, June, July, August, September. But it's that, I don't even want to get no price prediction. But just remember this video. You know, I'm gonna make you remember anyway you watch it. I'm coming back to it. Remember y'all talking all that yin yang? The price may go lower. The price may go to $80, $70. I don't care. Cause come April, May, June, July, August, September, we out of here, Jack. Cause Stunner says so. Like the video. Comment, subscribe. Like the video. Comment, subscribe. See, most people would edit that out. I ain't editing nothing. I'm real. Raw and real, baby. Straight from the heart. Reverend Breezy up out of this piece, man. Subscribe to the channel.